Alright, so I ordered this from FFX tool shop. I've been buying tools from there for a couple of years now, just little bits and pieces been buying really. So what it was, I saw this on I saw this on the eBay. They sent me an email. Because no way you look at certain things, they send you suggestions. And this was $12.95. I thought that's a good price, and it's got the torque control on it as well. So I went down there, took a trip down there, because they got two stores. They got one in Ashford and one in Folkestone. So I went to the one in Ashford, but when I got there, the lady said to me that they didn't have it in stock, but they had it in their warehouse. And she said that she can get one sent to me or get it sent to the shop. So that's what I did, and I can't believe it come the next day. I went there on Saturday, got there about 3 o'clock, and it come next day, today's Sunday, and it came this morning about 12 o'clock. I can't believe how fast this thing come. That's pretty good. That's unheard of before, apart from Amazon. They order something on a Saturday and it comes on a Sunday. So that's quite a good going with FFX tools. Makita. I didn't order nothing at Makita. Don't tell me they sent me the wrong thing. Don't tell me they sent me the wrong thing. I never ordered this. I did not order that. Don't tell me they sent me the wrong thing. But anyway, this is worth more than $12.95. But I did not order this. Oh, so they just used it as an empty box. Huh. That's me thinking they sent the wrong thing. There it is. I've got quite a few of these electric screwdrivers now. I'm a big fan of them. They're one of my favourite tools at the moment because they're cheap and they're quite handy for taking things apart. Because the thing with a drill's quite big, you know, a bit cumbersome with certain things. And with these electric screwdrivers, they just make working on smaller things a lot easier. You got more control. There it is. Right, let's get this open. There is. Alright, so there it is. So we press this, it's called a Vorton Construction Products 3.6 volt So you turn this, you got a piston grip, and that's for your direction, and that's to unlock it, our pistol grip. So you got the torque control there. Every time you press it, like, it lights up as well. Like, see that? It's a battery indicator, and it's rechargeable through micro USB. And you got a micro USB cable in there, as you can see, and a couple of drill bits, a couple of screwdriver bits. For $12.95, you can't really go wrong, you know, for working on RC cars and stuff. This thing is so cheap and not even got a part diagram. Because this thing's so cheap, who's really going to repair this? And I doubt you can even get the parts for this thing. Anyway, I doubt it. Oh, we've got to test this out now, see what it's like. Oh, it's got quite a strong magnet in there. It was hay fever. Alright, so what happened with this is, let me give a lowdown on this. The clutch, yeah, they're basically all the same. Number 1 is the same as number 5 really. There is a clutch, but number 1 isn't really that, what can I say, it doesn't slip. It takes a lot to make it slip, if you know what I mean. Find it hard to explain it. Yes, as you can see, it's broken. It is broken. It no longer works. But I can't blame the screwdriver. I say I got to blame myself on that. Because I took it to work. And I was using it at work for light stuff really. Just taking apart little valves and stuff. But there's one day I had to take down some panels one day. And I was using it to undo some M6 fasteners. And of course, this is not going to undo an M6 fastener. Because the max this will do is only about, I think, 7 Newton meters, something like that. So, because you can use it like a normal screwdriver, I was using this to crack the M6 fasteners. And it worked on a couple of them, but then on one of them, when I used it to crack it, I noticed it started to spin. Then after, it just wouldn't work. It just wouldn't work. So that's my fault, I guess. don't use the crack M6 fasteners. I guess M5 will probably be alright, M5. Because I think M6 fasteners, they normally talk to about 10 Newton meters. And I guess cracking 10 Newton meters of this is a bit too much, so I can't really blame the tool on that. I was overdoing it, I guess. And it was already outside of its 30-day money back guarantee. So I thought, let me just send them an email, you never know. So I sent FFX an email and I told them it's not working, it's not working. And I asked for a video, I sent them a video of it, not working. And they sent me out a new one. They didn't even ask for this back. I'm guessing because it's so cheap, I guess. They probably thought it's not really worth sending it back. So look, they actually sent me a new one. Look, so we got a new one. I don't know, probably end up giving that away as a Christmas gift or something. Probably. So we got a new one there. For the money, you can't go wrong, you know. So I think electric screwdrivers, they're underrated, they're really underrated, because the thing that I like about them, well, not all of them, but some of them like this one, you can use it as a normal screwdriver. You can twist it so you don't end up over tightening things, but just don't overdo it like what I did. That's what I like about them, other than using the drill. So I'm guessing you can use a drill, of course, to take out fasteners and stuff, but the drill's a bit bulky, it's a bit big, you know. But this is small and you can just use it. You can stop and turn it so you don't over tighten things. So there it is, there's the review. I'm not going to throw this away, I'm actually going to open it up and see what went wrong in the gearbox. I'm guessing it is the gearbox. My guess is one of the gears is stripped. What I might do is I might take out the USB charging circuit and take out the battery. So I know that's going to contain the 18650 battery and I can use that in another project. Alright, we're going to take this apart now and get the battery out.
And by all accounts, Her Majesty was really happier than when she was here in Scotland.
So the Queen died today, so I'm not sure when this video is going to come out, when I'm going to get time to edit it and upload it. But yeah, the Queen's died today, so on the radio, I've got it on the LBC. So that's all they're talking about at the moment, it's the Queen. To tell you the truth, I knew the Queen was dead anyway, because I noticed that this morning all the news reporters on TV, they're all dressed in black, they have black ties on, because the Queen was sick. So I reckon the Queen already passed, that's what I reckoned. Because why would they be dressed in black when the Queen is still alive but ill? So I reckon she must have already been dead. But they could announced it, she was already on her way out. But I guess she's still lived to a good age, I guess. 96 is a good age, man. Can't complain with that, innit? 96 years old.
It's a tricky situation for Dutch for the first 2 years before it's actually kicked in. Actual business investment fell by 0.5%. There's several reasons for that. It's because businesses take investment decisions based on what they think market conditions are like. So if we're heading into recession and there's a tightening, as there is now, businesses aren't going to invest in all the times they can't make a profit. What the argument for windfall tax is that they are making excess profits at the moment because of the...
It obviously made it so you can't take it apart.
The situation in Ukraine predominantly. And therefore, on that excess profit, there should be a tax rate of 25%, which is fairly modest, really. I mean, it's saying, you can keep 3/4 of your excess profits if you've got a 25% tax rate. So it's not exactly turning the screws on these people. I mean, personally, as I say, I think the energy retail companies are going to be in trouble and are basically failed businesses at this point. A number of them already have failed. And
So the top gears are plastic, and it's like the ones at the bottom are metal.
That's what France has done. And if you look at what's going on in France at the moment, EDF, nationalised energy provider, has capped bills at 4%. Ours have already gone up by 50%. And we'll find out tomorrow what's happening with the October rise, which is scheduled to hit 3,600, which would be a 178. The general feeling is it's going to be capped at 2,500 until January or maybe even 2024. Yeah, but 2,500 is a 95%.
No, I wonder where it's gone wrong, because they look alright to me.
France has done it at 4%, and that's because it's invested in its own energy. It only did the rest.
Alright, so I've actually spotted the issue. I don't know if you can see there, but there should be 3 pieces of metal that are attached to these things there, these posts, and they're broken. And those 3 pieces of metal, they're in here. Let me magnetize my screwdriver and take one out. I don't know if you can see that. It's that broken bit of metal that is supposed to attach there, but all 3 of them are broken. So that's what went wrong inside it. I thought it would be the gears, but the gears are alright, so it's not that. I think this is the mechanism that allows you to use it as a normal screwdriver. It sort of jams it when not in use. So that is the issue, that's why it's broken. Well, when they get this battery out and the circuit board as well, because I can use that circuit board to charge other stuff for other projects. Alright, cut these off.
Jack, thank you very much. Jack Foster, LBC's reporter at Balmoral. Now you're listening to a special programme from LBC broadcasting across Global's radio stations with Andrew Marr and Sheila Fogarty, reflecting on the sad news that Queen Elizabeth II has died at the age of 96. And what I'd like to do now, because you may have missed it earlier on, it's very, very important, is read to you a statement from His Majesty the King, King Charles III, at the time of the Queen's.
See that Charles King now, boy, Charles. Yeah, I knew the Queen was on her way out anyway, because I found it a bit odd that Meghan and Prince Harry are back. I think they come back about 2 weeks ago. That's a bit of a coincidence. So she obviously was on her way out.
And by countless people around the world. During this period of mourning and change,
Right, we use that as a charging circuit.
And sustained by our knowledge,
Charge the battery.
respect, and deep affection, which is so widely held.
And I think an appropriate moment to talk back at that, Andrew, to look ahead a little to tomorrow.
It's quite a big, large gathering, and it will be a very, very important, solemn moment. There will be, if you talk about the British establishment, what is the British establishment?
They're part of it. They're part of
the
it.
British establishment. It's really, that's who they is.
And obviously, the World Correspondent